What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. And you know how we do it every night. I am trading binary options, and we are looking at gold OTC charts. Yeah, based on market structure, the market is trending upwards. So let's see if we can get any move. Tell me, how has your day been? Romeo, good to see ya. Siki, good to see ya. Good to see you. Tell me, guys, how has your day been? Have you looked at your charts? I am trading binary options, and this is a bearish pullback move. Yeah, market structure is bullish, but even in a bullish market, you can take sell entries, and the sells you take in a bullish market, they do pull back entries. All right. Seems like sellers are coming in strong. Because I'm seeing candles closing below the most recent low. And whenever you see such a move, you can start anticipating sellers in the market. You got me coming. Why should I be coming early in the morning? Oh yeah, you make it spend my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you honey. Give me, baby, make you give me. Okay, I see you all. Gamnam, blogger, good to see ya. Alright, let us get more moves. The day is still young. The day is still just starting, so let us be anticipating a brighter day. Tell me, Raphael, how have you spent your day? Have you looked at your charts? Charles, good to see ya. Jerome, good to have you. Teacher Lee, good to see ya. Forex Trader Day, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Welcome on the Trading Assembly. Traders, continue marking your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from, guys? I had quite a busy day today. I had quite a busy day, but for some reason, busy days are my best days. I love being fully active. Like, guys, I told you, once you're in a bullish market and you get a bearish pullback, you see candles closing below the most recent low, because we all know in a bullish market you anticipate the strong lows to be maintained and the market continues going upwards and not breaking structure down. So the moment you see any structure change down and the low is taken out, your buyer should entirely shift bearish, and that's why I'm executing these sales now, because my buyers already shifted bearish until when buyers give me a reason to think that they are getting back into the market. Cheerleader, she's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to tell me how your day has been. Do you have any traders? Do you have any traders that have looked at their charts today? Any traders that had a successful day? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Okay, I see you, Charles. You're watching from Kenya. Rufus, good to see ya. Divine, Church Trends. Guys, good to have you all. Good to have you all. Tell me, how have you spent your day today? If you have not looked at your chats, what were you doing? We are gonna keep on executing sales until the market gives us a reason why we shouldn't be taking sales. Our bias already shifted bearish and we are still maintaining that. And by bias, I be meaning the market direction. So what I have against the market direction is bearish, just based on market structure. She's always there when I need her. You took a few trades and they ended up in break even. Oh my god. But that is actually very good. It's better. I mean, first you really took part in, you are consistently showing up and having break even. That's a sign that at least you have risk management under control. Yeah, you have some risk management going on there. So Teacher Lee, that's nice. That's really, really nice. Cameron, good to see ya. How are you doing? You're the one who said that I'd be lost without you. I see your face, Joe. I told you not to leave me alone. I got my own. I see your face, Joe. I told you not to count me out. Cause you always try to fill me with doubt. Saying that I look better if I was there. Don't you know you should have loved me for my head out. When I left you, I came right away now. It all I get, I understand that every girl do. Rod, good to see ya. Good to see you all traders. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using to trade, guys. For all those that are asking, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple, pure price action. And when it comes to pure price action, you first understand when it comes to price action, you first understand the market direction, you understand market structure, you understand the candlestick patterns. And guys, like how I said, when it comes to looking at candlestick patterns, the ones that make sense for you that you should execute based on that, they should be in key areas. And with my strategy as price action, the key areas are the highs and the lows in the market. So when it comes to candlestick patterns, you have to understand, them, how they are closing. Like I always tell you guys, with when it comes to candlestick patterns, candle closure is really important, because how a candle is closing is going to make you anticipate where the market is most likely to head. Looking at also momentum. By momentum is you looking at the body, the wicks of the candles. I mean, if you're seeing a candle with a tiny body, there's no reason to execute based on that, unless the next candle to it comes with a big body and it closes in the direction you are really anticipating. But so basically, that's how you'll be looking at the chart. You don't just look at the candles, you also look at the candles in a way that you're trying to analyze them. because candles are going to be showing you momentum, and they are always the first signal to show you that the market is either heading into a reversal or continuation based in the area you're seeing them. The cheetah one no, guys, I'm just all right, let us keep executing. But traders, tell me, how have you spent your day? Have you looked at your charts? If you're not looking at your charts, what are you doing? Yeah, no.
And I love it when I see your face drop. I told you not to leave me alone. Now that I got my own, I see your face drop. I told you not to count me out. Cause you always try to fill me with doubt. Saying that I look better if I was thinner. Don't you know you should have loved me for my inner. When I left you, we never came out of window.
Moon, good to see ya. Honestly, as always, I'm always looking at the current market price action. So what I'm always looking at the chart is what I'm always gonna be basing on to execute entries. Like guys, whenever you are on a lower time frame, current price action you're looking at is what you're gonna be executing based on. For example, the highs and the lows, the most recent highs and the lows, they are going to show you so much about where the market is most likely to head. After knowing that, what you have to do now, it is just wait for candle confirmations and you see based on that. That's how you be cruising. That's a mindset any price action trader moves with.
Good morning. Wake up, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Fresh, Mr. Vice.
You shut. I refuse to be.
I'm not in a mood cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang and my DJ paid. Why is my man talking about inshallah? These times he don't even pray. Why is my man wearing a Jesus piece? How does she squeezing them jeans? Big behind and petite waist. Take time with the GBG, we don't beef nobody like GBK. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, little bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok. F just saw him on flick one. Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright. We could go band for band.
Fuck that, we can go M for M.
$250,000 for the Maybach truck.
Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90 years, the versions, the bribers, and really the threat.
It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear.
Bro, I do it for some shoes and some clothes. You see what I do for a necklace. Right, sure, look like a spider. It's calling $1 on just an assist. She made me want
All right. Someone is saying, tell us the way which the candles are going before they get there. Guys, to be honest, I cannot tell you now the candle is going this direction and it heads there. Yes, I could say I'm anticipating sellers to happen in the market, but it's not like I have 100% certainty that exactly sellers are going to hit that side. And when, as a trader, you shouldn't be looking for 100% certainty, because the moment you have that mindset that I'm going to execute this trade, these sales, I'm going to execute these sell entries because I'm seeing sellers are going this direction and they are going to go there. It's totally, that mindset is wrong. For any trader, we ought to have a probabilistic mindset, and that means is you're going to look at the candlestick chart, you see candlestick patterns, and you just anticipate based on this candlestick. I'm going to just assume buyers are going to be here, because that is trading. I mean, if we had certainty about where the market is going to be heading exactly, then trading wouldn't be so risky as it is. Because the risk in trading is that no one has certainty where the market is going to be heading. We just actually execute entries based on the price action we are looking at, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's where the market is going to head. Let me hope you get that mindset, Rod. I mean, that's why traders go through all market analysis and all that. I mean, if we all knew where the market is going, with certainty, no one would be doing market analysis. No one would be taking time to study the market to understand all that. And by the way, guys, that is the best trading psychology concept you can really get as a trader. If you put it in your mind that I do not have to know exactly where the market is heading, it's going to ease you. It's going to give you a certain level of ease in your trading, and you're going to just execute, and you don't mind what happens after you have executed. My entry is not my business. My business is to execute and wait for the market to head in the anticipated direction that I'm hoping. And if it doesn't, I mean, the market is the market. Even when everything aligns with your strategy, it can still go against you.
Just bring to me down, submit down, notice it. Baby, don't whine on your seat, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal, dance make you feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. Wine bandit thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. One jassy, the way you do fantastic. Have to put on glasses. Make you no blind me with this your body. When I see you whining for the wall, make me want to turn into the wall. Make me feel like we know the for real life. Everything nice where you are. Baby, don't whine when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I go lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. Wine bandit thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me.
This is a trading assembly, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We are always here to learn. Share your trading experience. How has it been? Guys, while you're here, focus on learning. Why all those that are asking me why they are seeing what they are seeing, it is because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, focus on learning and asking any trading question, and be fully locked in on the chat so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Yeah, so that is how we are going to be moving tonight. Fully locked in.
Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I miss your touch some nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can't follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you.
Alright, guys, let us increase our risk and move and milk the markets.
Ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow.
The market has been giving me my favorite colors. All right. But I strongly believe the guy, you're really onto something. And I can easily tell you have been consistent because you're always sharing with me your great news from the market. And I know that feeling when you're always, when you close your trading day or trading session and that day has been good, honestly, it's the best feeling for any trader. And if you can do it consistently, I mean, we have nothing going new. But I can tell someone who is fully locked in. So the guy told me, what were you trading? What were you trading for you to get your favorite color? What chart were you on that you locked in your favorite color? I miss you more than oh my god, that's crazy. The Inket I'm using its Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings. Traders in the building, tell me, how has your day been?
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too.
Like guys, I already said you, it is okay to have confluences, but sometimes you're going to find yourself that, yes, I refine my entries with candlestick patterns, but also just with understanding clear market structure, I can still just execute based on market structure. You can have confluences, but it's not always that you're going to find all your confluences confirming your entry. Sometimes you're going to find you're going to be executing on based on 2 confluences, 3 confluences. It all depends on understanding market structure, market conditions, and candlestick patterns. I mean, sometimes I'm executing based on levels. So, Mark, what Marika Gold, what you're asking for, let me hope you got it. It's not that always I'm going to be executing based on only a candlestick pattern. That's why I told you, whenever you're looking at the candlestick chart, you also try to understand the candles that are being formed on the chart. Sometimes I'm going to see that, yes, the market has just broke structure, but I'm seeing the candles are still big and bullish. I'll still take a bullish entry, even when we all know after a breakout structure, you anticipate a pullback. Let me hope that helps you. So understanding candles, how they move, how they close is important. Understanding the key levels in your strategy is really important. Understanding key levels in your strategy is also important when you are trading. All those things are really important. So whenever you are trading, you do not just have to be half-time locked in, you be fully locked in. That is the whole point of locking in, that yes, you're understanding market structure, you're understanding the market direction, but you're also looking at candles, how a candle is closing, especially in key areas. What is the momentum around the candles in a key area? If you can easily tell those things whenever you're trading, execution is not going to be so hard for you.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look at you go. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look at you go. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
Guys, more videos. I'm soon dropping more videos. All you have to do is to fully log in. Can you? But oh my god, Ethan, what you're asking for, it's what I'm doing right now, because we are on a live session. And I already said you, this is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. And what I'm doing right now is actually sharing my trading strategy with you, but in a way that I'm actually showing you how you can do it. All you have to do is to just lock in and focus, and you can, and where you don't understand, you ask. And where you don't understand, you ask any trading question. I mean, that's the purpose of this. That's the purpose of these streams. Feel free to ask any trading question.
She wanna beg and I get that. She tryna leave, tell me she so that she leave. She wanna I'm on her beam, it's getting me She get right back and we boo. I just topic is swimming no pool. And that pounds I'm loving on you. So she fucking with me. Oh, you know I lied to you, then lose and break your heart. I had to tell you a lie and tell you the truth and you stop. How you gonna take it this far? Baby, know that you fuck with a star.
I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we love them, they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love.
Curious Anatomy, good to see you. Christian, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys.
I'm back on that track and up like this. I'm back on that lean, I'ma talk like this. I'm back on that shit, I'ma walk like this.
And guys, one thing I can really tell you when it comes to trading, please don't focus on complicating things. Don't focus on complicating things. Free yourself to understand that. Whenever you're on the charts, trading is not actually hard. You just have to get a few things, a few concepts, and you look for them on the charts every day. But of course, when you're just starting out to trade, it's going to be hard. But if you're doing it every single day, you're looking for the same thing on the charts every single day, it cannot be the same. So if you're finding it hard, maybe you consider being consistent in your trading, because honestly, all consistent traders, there is an edge they're always going to have against traders that just trade once in a while. That is the truth. That's a fact. So the more you're just consistently showing up, the better it just gets. It shouldn't be so complicated.
I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie than lose you.
Oh my god. But guys, I have videos on this channel talking about this strategy, and I'm dropping almost all the videos I have on this channel. They are talking about the same strategy, price action. Guys, sometimes when you're learning how to trade, it's not all about copying directly. It's about getting the concept. Then you go on the charts and you look for it, because that's what learning involves.
One minute I'm cold, then the next I'm tripping. No, somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind. She's still on my mind. And we build it up. Just to let it all.
Ethan, it seems difficult when you are alone. It is because that's what it's all about. When you're learning something, it is always gonna seem difficult. When I was also starting out to trade, guys, I wasn't at this level I'm at right now. Honestly, I had a very curious mind about everything, about candlesticks, about structure, about understanding. Actually, that time I feel like I was also studying about support and resistance. All those things were so harsh, and at some levels I felt like it is a lot of work, and sometimes you could be knowing a lot of things, but you fail to add them together when you're looking at your charts. That's why I told you, whenever you're starting your trading session, try to have a trading plan, and in that trading plan, write down everything, how you're going to be executing your entries from the start of your strategy till that level when you execute, and even you write down your reaction, how you're going to react when you take a loss, how you're going to react when you take positive entries. Because if you write those things down and you follow them in that order, yes, at the start you're going to be writing detailed things, but as you get better with trading, you're going to reach a point in your life, in your trading, and you don't even feel the need to write them down because now your mind has already memorized them. But when you're just starting out to trade with a strategy, everything can be seem a lot and complicated. And if you are really trading alone, sometimes you could even just be fearing. Like what you're trying to say, Ethan, I've been there, but now I'm telling you how I overcame that. Because honestly, I didn't start at this level as a trader, to be honest. This is my 4th year in trading. So how I was when I was just starting out to trade, I couldn't have been the same like now. So you have to put in that, you have to accept that concept that you have to learn, you have to put the work in, and the more you do it, and the more you do it consistently, the shorter the journey gets. All right, let's keep moving. Asha, thank you, Asha. My strategy is simple. Guys. It is price action, pure price action. And with pure price action, I first understand the market I'm dealing with. Am I dealing with a bullish market? Am I dealing with a bearish market? Am I dealing with a bearish market? Am I in a sideway market? The earlier you know the market you're dealing with, it's gonna be easier for you to execute. I mean, if I'm in a bullish market, I'm going to take both buys and selling trades. Just that my bias is at the back of my mind is going to remain bullish. So that means I will not over linger on buy entries, but I'll over focus on. Sorry, I'm not going to overlink on selling entries. I'm going to just focus on buy entries. Then once in a while, when I get an opportunity to take a pullback entry, of course I'll take it, but still my mindset remains bullish until the market gives me a reason to shift my bias from bullish to bearish. And that's how you should also be moving whenever you're looking at the chart. If you know the market condition you're dealing with, yes, you could be taking opposite trades that are against the trend, but still your bias does not change that I'm in this market condition. So if you take entries that are against the trend, but if you watch, hey, anyways, like what I was saying, your bias does not shift until the market gives you a reason for you to shift your bias. And that reason comes when it gives you a change in market structure. For example, we are in a bullish market. So if the market gives us a pullback and it takes out the most recent low, that is when I'm only going to shift my bias that bears are coming in. But besides that, I'll continue focusing on the market being bullish. Hey, why would you? Why are we talking about this? There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, guys. Raphael, I can see that. All you have to do is to look in. Amirami, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Do you speak? Unfortunately, I speak Chinese and English. So ni hao, ni hao. All traders, ni hao. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one.
I'm the one that hit that same spot. She the one that bring them raindrops. We go back, remember crisscross and hopscotch. You the one that hold me down when the block's hot. I make your dreams come true when you wake up. And your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to pull up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't gotta worry about them comers, cause my cake up. You can ride inside my life on that fame bus. Cause I promise when we step out, you'll be famous. Modern day Buddy and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up,
the strategy I'm using, throwback tails, is pure price action.
You're sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate you. See you watching go right out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, I'm the only one. I'm the one, I'm the only one. Okay, though. She beat her face up with that new Chanel. She like the price, she see the ice and make her coochie melt. When I met her in the club, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt. We don't got no label. She said she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, don't plug. I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her. Maybe that's only me. But she don't care with me.
This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. All those that are asking the strategy I'm using, it is price action. Yeah, it's pure price action. How you can learn it, it is just to fully lock in. It's just to fully lock in on this trading assembly because I'll be sharing it every night. And I also have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. And I am still dropping more, guys. I'm still dropping more videos about trading psychology, about everything that I know from trading, because honestly, trading is not only about actually the strategy. Also, you have to know risk management. You have to know trading psychology. All those things, they make up trading. All you have to do is to subscribe and just keep waiting for more videos.
And when she on the molly, she a zombie. She think we Clyde and Bonnie, but it's more like Whitney Bobby. God forgive me.
Hassan, good to see ya. How have you been? Edwin, good to see ya. I'm the one, yeah.
I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah.
Price I use both the indicators and the price action. The guys I always said you just the indicators. They also help me with more confirmation about the markets. Yeah, that is all about it. So I do not only execute based on the indicator. I use both the indicator and price action.
I'm the only one. Another one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. I'm the one. Yeah, I'm the one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. I'm the one. Yeah, I'm the one. Don't you know, girl?
The guy, All right, the guy is saying psychology was the hardest part for me, but I set my rules and I followed them. I feel like psychology is the hardest part for every trader. That's the truth. Trading psychology is the hardest part because psychology comes from our own emotions, and we all know the risk that comes with trading, that we are on real account, real capital. So if a loss hits you and you are already attached to, you know that when it comes to capital, we only trade money that you are willing to lose. So, but it's not that always traders come to trading with that mindset. So sometimes when you take a few losses, your psychology, once it gets damaged and affected by those losses, that's how you know that trading is actually is not about a strategy. You have to also work on your psychology. Actually, yesterday I was going through my things. Then I landed on my psychology. Like guys, I told you, honestly, I'm one trader who has a lot of notes, because I really learned a lot, and these notes sometimes they were just me taking them from just watching YouTube videos. Like I always tell you guys, if you are here to learn, make sure you get a notebook, because I mean, as much as we are here and learning, I could say something and you could note it down. Then one day you could just be going through things, you look at it and actually it reminds you something and it changes your trading. So actually sometimes I revisit my notes. So I was actually there looking and I found my psychology notes, and I realized when I was still learning how to trade, I read somewhere psychology contributes 60% to our trading, and the 40% is what strategy makes about. But market psychology takes the biggest part when it comes to trading. That's why it is really important to focus on it, to really learn market psychology. And with market psychology, it only comes when it comes with market psychology, you have to set the rules, and it doesn't matter how much you're gonna be breaking them, but at least have the rules. At least every time you break them, you'll be convicted, and you know that actually it is my mistake. You have to have those rules. You have to have the rules when it comes to. You have to have the rules when it comes to entries, when it comes to reactions, when it comes to how to react to a loss, how to react to I mean, there are days when you make profits that you are not really anticipating to make from the market. So I mean, also overconfidence affects us. Actually, it is not only about the other way around. Even good days can affect us. So the more you really put those rules up, the more you put those rules up for your trading and you follow them, because I know and I see always here most of the questions, they are really related to psychology, because someone telling me that when they are trading alone, it is always different. It is only different because of your psychology. Your mind tells you cannot do it. It is that simple. Sometimes even traders, you see at an entry and you can really lock in and you get the move, but you just get scared to execute. That's still psychology. Oh my, what is this? Buyers have played me here. Oh my god. So let us get more moves. Let us get back to the technical analysis. We leave market psychology, but traders, let me hope you get it. Yeah, you should also focus on market psychology, because it takes actually the biggest part in our trading. It's the one that affects us, and actually most of the losses we really be getting from the market, especially losses that come and wipe your entire account. They are purely, most of them, psychological, from psychological side of trading. because the losses that we usually take from the technical part of trading, they don't really come so big to wipe you out unless you are risking your entire account. But losses from psychology, I mean, they could be backed up with greed, and also greed is part of psychology, things that you're supposed to be handling as a trader. Minerals and boss. Yeah, we give thanks when we need them. I'm using all the indicators with the default settings. Yeah, I'm using the indicators with the default settings. 20 plus, yeah. This is all the right. But I just feel friends with the cars that below. One time didn't sit down in a class and we bought them. Money Rails, good to see ya. Good to see you all traders. Good to see ya.
Let's pull the 2-seat out, baby.
Ali, how are you doing?
It's swell. Well,
Oh, night. Just see you, baby. In our eyes. When it comes to price action, understanding market structure is key, because it's gonna be showing you the turning points in the market. And like I always tell you, turning points, that's where the market is most likely to head, either to take out a most recent high or to take out the most recent low, but that can be the reason sometimes why the market is moving. So you have to be knowing those turning points. Patrick, good to see ya. Tabor, good to see ya. Daniel, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right. I have Joel is asking how can I get in touch with you. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram. Yeah, there's a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can always write to me anything using that. All night. In our life. Aston Martin music. Yeah. Oh my god. Interesting. But I'm alive. I will let it go.
Whether that's right, I won't ever know.
But here goes
pull
nothing.
up on the block in the drop top chicken box. Mr. KFC, VDS is in the watch.
Oh my
Living
god.
fast where it's all about that money back.
Structure is very hard to enter. There is nothing like the system loses you, guys. That is not. It doesn't happen actually, guys. I know there are those days also I would always feel like, but I'm glad actually my mindset shifted from that thinking that whenever I take a few losses from the market, I start thinking that someone out there in at the back of the chart, they are coming against me. Actually, no one is coming against you. No one is anything. All you have to do is to actually, if you sit down and you evaluate yourself, you're going to find that in your trading, actually, most of the mistakes, you're the ones making them. But actually, some mistakes, you're going to see them when you have really gotten better at trading. Because me recently, There are some, of course, when you have been taking losses from the market, you don't forget those things. You cannot forget. I know how some losses felt up to now, even if it has been a few years past those losses, and I know the reasons why those losses happen. So actually, sometimes if I'm executing, I do remember, and I just actually laugh at myself because I was evidently very wrong when I took that trade, but at that moment I thought it was right. But now, since when you get better at trading, you do realize some entries you'll be taking them at wrong levels. Yeah, guys, our queue is already up. Our queue is already up. So someone comment ready if you're ready for the donations, because in a few we are gonna get into them. I wanna text you. All right, Sultan. All you have to do, there's a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me via there.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sing along. I say, you look good out, no makeup,
no lashes, even better when you wake up.
I see the look on your face, I see you hiding it. I see you right off your feet.
You guys are crazy. Okay, guys, let us first secure our profits, then we get into the donations. Someone comment ready, someone comment ready, someone comment ready if you're ready for our donations.
Someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely.
Somebody who can make it better.
Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're ready. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sing along. I say, you look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat. See you tired thinking about if you're leaving. See you tired of being so tired. You're damn sure ain't getting even. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're ready.
Guys, we are ready for our first participant, and we're wishing luck to all the participants tonight. If you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that, and you surely be added on the list. You donate when you want. You donate when you want. Lalau Gamer. Yeah, all you have to do is use the donation link down in the description. And guys, donations are not financial investments. They're purely for trading and learning purposes. Truthful, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, let us get our second attempt. Let us get our second attempt. Soon as you start loving someone else, somebody better than you.
I bet you start needing me. Soon as you see me with someone else, somebody other than you. And I know
that it hurts me, know that it hurts me.
but you thought the grass was greener.
Know the other side.
I bet you start loving me soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you. So I'm supposed to believe that it's police calling you. I'm supposed to believe that they asking you if you're home. I was born yesterday. Now you can't get that over me.
Can't get it over.
Now
No, not me.
I love you, but I won't be a fool for you.
Call me a fool.
That is just something that I wouldn't do, babe.
All right, guys. I love what I'm looking at.
But you can't.
Okay.
Is that your bitch over there?
Yeah, bitch over there. Let me see tab. Congratulations to our first participant, guys. 2 attempts are fully locked in.
You ain't gonna respect me, no, till I'm not there.
2 attempts are fully locked in. Let me see tab. Congratulations. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you.
I bet you start needing me.
And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
And I know that
Guys, let me see type congrats. Let me see type congratulations. On the other side.
I bet you start loving me.
Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you.
So you bought me a car.
You can buy it too.
I can take care of myself and I can find someone to do it too, baby.
You look better, I'm better than you.
I equated you. You and me fashion, we can party. I put you on to that new. But you took advantage, you took advantage, you took advantage.
The minimum is 400.
Not understand. I thought you'd always be there for me.
Yeah.
If you ask me if I knew better now, hell yeah. So you can keep that bitch over there.
Yeah, bitch over there.
Really ugly shit.
Yeah.
Want the silicone and the Brazilian hip.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna respect me, no, till I ain't there. See, I got you comfortable, now you ain't pretty shit.
I just love me. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you.
I bet you start needing me.
Soon as you see me
With someone else, somebody other than you. And I know that it hurts, you know that it hurts you front, but you thought the grass was greener on the other side. Somebody better than you. Baby, tell me what's gonna take to keep it all the way with her. You won't get
on to our next, guys. And just 1 attempt to go. I'm loving this momentum buyers are giving us here. Let us watch out and see if they are really going to the moon. Someone comment to the moon. Because honestly, that's how I'm seeing. That's where they're heading. The other side. What the hell? Oh my god. All right, guys, let us refund and try again. You know, when I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. I really don't understand how the market lost momentum when I executed my entry. Let us try again. My bias is still bullish until the market gives me a reason not to be bullish.
I ain't worried about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture. I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift.
Okay, we are taking the buys again because why not? The market is bullish. And I'm already having 2 candles closing above this entry. This is a good sign. Okay, let me see. Type congratulations to Pulse. To Pulse. Let me see. Type congratulations to Pulse. One attempt is fully locked in. Oh, oh. And guys, you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away, and that's what we do.
I'll make it feel like a vacation to get into an ocean. We don't need nobody. I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us. Ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation. Cause baby,
Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We are here to learn, traders. You know that. I can only meet up with someone who has a yacht. If you don't have a yacht, please don't ask for the impossible. Anyways, let us move on.
Can you make it clap? No hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up for me. Look back at it all, I'm for me. Put it right like my time sheet.
Seems like sellers are really tired of buyers playing in their market. They want to make it a seller's market. Let us watch out and see if they are strong enough to give us those moves.
And she down, breaking rules, ride it down. She gon' go, I'm gon' do. She finesse, I pipe up, she take
This is sellers. We wanna make this a seller's market. They are tired of bulls. They are tired of bulls. Okay, our first attempt is in.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, you ain't need, don't tell them, you ain't need,
Guys, our second attempt is in, and we are still bearish. At this rate, we are still bearish. Wow! To be honest, by now you know these are the entries that gives me joy. Execute immediately, run in the direction anticipated.
Don't you worry about it, I gon' work it out. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other.
Yeah, it was a beautiful move. To be honest, such moves are the best. They give a certain level of joy. But it's not always the market's gonna be like that, that's the truth. If you catch such a move, well and good, but it's not always the market gonna be giving you such moves.
She ain't with your best friend, but let me be a diamond. You know you feel like for a press play. Just keep that extra wine. Only you got me feeling like this.
Just one atom to go.
Love it while grabbing the rhythm your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a
Sellers, come on, show me some strength, show me some momentum. Oh my god, I don't know how buyers came out. Damn.
Don't you tell them what we do.
And oh my god, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, guys. Our third attempt has been invalidated. Next time better. Next time better. But the market is still bearish apparently. So let us see if we can get some more moves. It's still bearish. You can clearly see by market structure. Every pullback, it doesn't lead to anything. Buyers are not showing any strength. Buyers are not giving us any strength for us to change mindsets and to change our buyers. So we are still bullish. Who is still bearish with me, guys? If you're still bearish with me, comment bearish. Okay, buyers seem like they wanna change this. Let us search out and see. Okay, buyers are starting to give us some movement, so let us see how this entry closes. Oh my god, sellers were really coming for it, but fully locked in. That's the beauty about timing. Yes, so actually that's how timing saves you in the market. Whenever you see a move, don't hesitate to execute, because that anytime you delay, you're also delaying. You don't know, it could be a right move, but if you enter late, you may just be taken out because of that delay. So if you see a move, execute immediately. Don't hesitate. Don't overthink. If everything is aligning, execute and just wait and see. Because also timing is really important in your execution. You should always remember that timing is important when it comes to execution.
I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really getting kind of boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit. I need a mop to clean the floor. It's too much drip. I keep it nine, I keep a watch, I keep a whip. Let's play a game. Simon says I'm still that bitch. Ay, I'm still that bitch. Yeah, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, hacking, stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm lit like a match. Oh, and any nigga I'm the head is still attached. Oh, that body right, but you know this pussy bad. Oh, I drop a picture, now these bitches still attached. Hey, don't let that nigga gas you up and get you back. I make a call and get a pussy nigga smack. This bitch is time I pull it up, where you at? Oh, I'm in a lamb, bitch, catch me if you can. Oh, I'm kicking bitches out they spot, Stally Chan. Yeah, niggas say I taste like sugar, but ain't shit sweet.
This one's nasty.
I've been waiting for the day. Dancing like a little cookie. Dancing your body cookie. But I just wanna be lonely. Don't let's spend the night alone. Oh, don't let's spend the night alone.
Guys, let me see you type congratulations to Lofines. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. 2 attempts are fully locked in, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Girl, I go really make you wet. Girl, I go really make you sweat. Baby girl, I like
Let me see more congrats. Let me see more congrats to our participant.
Girl, I go really make you wet. Girl, I go really make you sweat. Baby, relax around the neck. Girl, I go really make you.
Baby, tell me how we got speed. I got many things if you ask me. But love me, don't make you rush me. I make you leave if you must leave. See this matter than they pass me. Cost many things for your love me. But love me, don't make you rush me. Have this night for your love if you ask me. Like no. When you call up, make a day, I go do. Every day and every night. Oh. Make we connect to the morning time. You did dance, I be spend down. Your body ginger. Call me your doku spend down. As the DJ they spin on. For your love, spend my dirham.
Girl, I go really make you wet. Girl, I go really make you sweat.
Guys, I'm trading with a strategy right now,
Girl, I go really
and it is price action. Of course, I use it with the indicator, and whenever I'm looking at the indicator, I want to look out for breakouts either to the top side or to the downside of the indicator. Whenever you get a breakout to the downside of the indicator, you're going to be anticipating sellers in the market, but with price action strategy, it's going to confirm it for you by seeing market structure shifting bearish, or by when you see candlestick patterns that are showing selling momentum coming up. That's when you start executing sales. And in other ways, that's how I use both the indicator and pure price action strategy.
Yo te puedo mostrar unas cositas. Si tuviera la oportunidad.
So let us get more moves. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Emmanuel, good to have you. Welcome to the trading assembly.
Si solo supiera las cosas que te harían privado. Uy.
I never wanna see you sober. One rest up on my shoulder. The key to my heart for your key holder. Yeah. She like it when I rub on her head. She like it when I rub on her
Our first attempt is locked in. Two more to go. Let me hope, guys, you're fully locked in.
Shawty's like to give me sloppy. She make a man confess. She make a man go. I'm mon amour. Il faut ma honte. I'm mon amour. Il faut ma honte.
Like, guys, what I told you, when you're using the indicator, guys, like I told you, when it comes to the indicator, yes, we got the breakout to the downside, but market structure was not showing, had not yet confirmed sellers in the market. That's why I didn't take the sales, and based on the structure I was looking at, it was giving me more, it was showing me more bullish strength compared to selling. That's why I told you I use both the indicator and price action in that way. If I get a breakout, I want to see market structure showing me strength to confirm that I can take a move in that direction.
She said she wanna get a little dirty.
All right, you're already having movement in that direction. Let me see, type congratulations to Benjamin. Wow, this is some good momentum from buyers. Let me see, type congratulations. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to a participant. Interesting. She said she wanna get a little dirty, and she rubs on my chest. No, because you guys are really crazy. I mean, that's why I always love coming here. You're so interesting. You're really interesting. And I won't lie. I enjoy being on the trading assembly with fellow traders. I enjoy being on this trading assembly with fellow traders. So someone is asking me, your man trades too. And I'm wondering, guys, why would you think that though? Anyway, since you asked that, let me ask you guys. Traders, would you date a fellow trader? Would you date a fellow trader? Tell me, guys. Would you date a fellow trader? Yes. Oh my God. Actually, it should be. If you are already a trader and I feel like you have some more experience, would you date a beginner trader? Wow. Honestly, to me, I don't feel like I can date a fellow trader, especially if they are beginners. I wouldn't want to really date a beginner trader. Because I've been a beginner before. I know the journey. You all know how beginners, everything about being a beginner, it's not really funny. So honestly, but I can see you guys, you want to date fellow traders. Okay. But anyway, one thing I know, but anyways, I can understand sometimes you could be having time and you're discussing the charts together, but I feel like maybe you could get distracted. Are you sure you cannot get distracted when you're dating a fellow trader? Would you be doing chart analysis, really? Guys, me, I'm dating the markets. I'm fully locked in. That's a fact. I am fully locked in, and as long as they are still running, I'm going to remain on that. Nico, good to see ya. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys are really coming after me. So someone is saying, Ethan, I'm not really coming out. I'm not really coming after any beginner trader. It's just that I really know I've been a beginner before. I feel like if someone is a beginner, I would want them to be fully locked in and not having love distracting them. That is all. That is my whole concept. I wouldn't want any beginner to be distracted, because you know when you're just starting out, you need to fully lock in. That is all. That is all. It's not like I'm being harsh or what. Just that, because when I was still a beginner, honestly, dating would not benefit me in any way. What would benefit me is learning how to trade.
Your choice if you want in the sun. Keep your heart, I'm not ready for settle down. Your friend a move like she woulda make it Gucci run. I see, so you never notice. From other day she in a me DM on me.
This is our second attempt.
Like book a me read a story. Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man a star boy, better don't forget. If you no give it up, then me call the next. Calm down, no fool yourself.
Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to. Let me see type congratulations to our participant to attempts are fully locked in. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant.
No offense if my cause a little friction, but if a ban you want to build, go check for the bill down. Pull your jets, me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man, I'm star boy, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then we call the next. Calm down, no fool yourself.
Remember, everybody got a duplicate.
We have options, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then we call the next. Baby, me just want a one and done.
On to our next participant. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn and also catch up as traders, because why not? So you don't want him to use love to mislead himself. Yes, guys. When you are a beginner, you need to be, like I always tell you guys, even when I'm trading myself, I prefer trading alone. I don't trade when I have people around me. Yeah, I don't want any distractions. I want to be fully locked in. Maybe when I'm done with my trading session, there I can consider being around with people. And if I'm trading around people, I want to be trading with fellow traders, and the conversation we are having, it is market analysis, chart analysis entirely.
On yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. How to move out here, you know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest to claim to love me. I went through hella shit and back to be kicked up and comfy. You see how hard I grind, little bitch, don't never call me lucky. You fuck a nigga good enough and he gon' think he own you. The broke ones usually insecure, the rich ones try to control you. That's why it's always best to choose the one.
All right. Someone is saying they are locked in. That is nice. All you have to do is to be fully locked in.
Give a fuck about what they screaming. And don't be matching fucked up energy with hoes in no way. Be realer than that lame shit, cause that right there got no place. Fuck on. Love. One. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Two. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Three. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything.
Emmanuel, what I'm doing right now, I'm actually using the strategy. So all you have to do is to be fully locked in on the charts, because the strategy is simple, pure price action, and whenever I'm trading, I keep things simple.
fucking
And I
good.
would
You know
honestly
we lay
want
the
traders
face down
you
with
do
your
the
ass
same.
out.
You shouldn't
Some niggas
complicate
you
trading.
for nothing if you
Trading
ass
shouldn't
out.
be
I
about
ain't
having
saying
8
that we walk
confluences
around
that you
with
always
your
look
hands
out
out, but
for.
just in case some
It's a
shit don't
matter of
freeze
having
over,
about
put your
3.
stand out. Don't
Then
go
you just fully
boom,
lock in with those 3
take for the bag.
consistently compared to be fully.
See what they children. Don't never handle business decisions while in your feelings. Keep your hair in
Compared to having a lot. Whenever you have a lot, you're going to find yourself finding trading as something that is so hard to do compared when you have 3 that you can easily use.
Sweet life ain't always sweet, bitch. Gotta stay on her Q's and P's. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow
She the enemy.
Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look fucking good when you do it. Okay, we get our second attempt.
Yeah. Yeah. Back then when I was a new youngin', Charlie was trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. So day one you running right back. Say the drama you running off track. It's a one life you tell me one. One time you tell me one time. Open your eyes, baby. Can you be wise? Cause I'm a bride, baby. I'm on the way, I'm on the run, baby. Leave me alone, take it back now. I put you on it. Say you want chance to what it on me. I've been out, what it back. Turn you right around, take it my way. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now. Cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now.
Guys, reminder that whenever I'm executing, my entries are not only based on the indicators. Yeah, it is backed up with price action strategy. So whenever you're trading, actually whenever I'm trading, because now I'm speaking for me, every trader has a way they are trading. I know there are traders out there who only execute based on indicators. Actually, if you're a trader and you only execute based on indicators, comment indicators. And if you feel like you prefer trading based on both using indicator and strategy, comment strategy. I want to know how many traders trade with only indicators. Tell me what you need to me now. Alright. Let us see how this one is fully locking in. But okay, let me see. Type congratulations to Cross Eloine. Oh my god, this is a beautiful name. It's a beautiful name. Let me see. Type congratulations to our participant. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Open your eyes. Hi. All right, guys. The names you see on the screen, they are for our participants, and if you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a link down in the description. The donation link down in the description. You can use that. Yeah. So let us move on to our Next participant, Radiana. All right.
You say you got a girl.
Now you got me.
Now you want me when you got a girl. Feeling is reckless. I'm knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate.
How do you spot good openings? Guys, whenever you're really looking at taking entries, I basically execute based on the strategy and the confluences I'm seeing in the zone. Yeah. So for example, right now we can see the market has shifted structure to a bearish market because you can see lows are taken out, and we all know after a break of structure you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. So buyers are kicking in, but I'm not really expecting them to go so high. And if they go so high and take out the highs you're seeing up there, I'm going to shift my bias again. So you have to constantly be thinking like that as a trader. You're understanding structure. So if I already know that, if I'm to take a sell entry, then I'm going to wait for sellers to give me a confirmation. If I'm going to take buy entries, I'm going to wait for buyers to give me a buy confirmation. But you do that based on candlestick patterns. Yeah. So that is a mindset I be trading with. Let me hope that helps you as asking about getting good spots. It's a matter of continuously analyzing the market, not just once. Always you're looking at trying to understand the story behind what the market is telling. My man is your man is your man too. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Just one attempt and it is already locked in. And you know how we do it, I'm the weekend. Yeah, you know how we do it. Then you send him my way. I gotta say, yeah, everything goes to the participant. That's what we are gonna do right away. Then you send him my way. I just get him satisfied through the weekend.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me did only one little deal. Love you did I look you must sit down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze. Now Jesus, I want make you feel so. Room me keep it tight, and me ever clean so. Want me did want, yeah me never need ya. This enough for people know, keep it on a deal. But too young for life, done with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep her company. And a girl like me me just want have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me to settle down. Nigga, I hit on run. Nigga, I hit on run.
All right, guys, you can see our target. So let us move and make it. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. And you all know my strategy is all about keeping it simple with price action.
But so yeah, with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company. And I can't just want to have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
Second attempt is in, and we're already moving well, guys. Look at this. Honestly, whenever I execute and I see two candles closing in the direction I anticipated, I'll be feeling good. That's how good. I'll be feeling good because Mash, good to see ya. How are you doing? Crash and Mash. Okay. all right. Crash and Mash. Good to see ya.
Baby girl, you give me joy and excitement. I promise to never get tired. If you know I got a girl, you my sidekick. I call you my girl, never might be. Best of both worlds, you a hybrid. All your exes were a little short-sighted. They never ever saw the right shit. That's why I bet you do your never like it. You bring it to my mind, friend. Cause I used to go for girls who are light-skinned. When you drop it to the floor, girl, I like it. When you drop it to the floor, girl, I like it. I like your curly hair and your physique, baby. You unique, baby. You so complete, baby. Never conform. I swear you got it all. Everything about this first time you got it all. Back up for me. Oh, baby, won't you back up for me? Cause I could get you wetter, set up, living better. I could show you levels, never achieve. Me and this lady got a thing going on. Ain't nobody knows about it. Keep it on the low, ain't nobody gotta know, baby. This is how it goes. That's my baby, that's my baby, that's my baby girl. That's my baby girl. That's my baby, that's my baby, that's my baby girl. That's my baby girl.
Let us watch out for our next move.
Baby girl. I never wanna lose you, baby, never. I give you what you want, cause you're precious. Pretty African girl, you a power. Pretty African girl, you a power. You deserve me the yes diamonds.
So guys, this is our final attempt. Let us see how it closes. But I'm ready. Wow. Okay, let us see our next candle. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant Freddie Wales. Back up for me. Cause I can get you what I said, I'm living better.
I can show you levels, never achieve.
Let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. That's my baby, that's my baby, that's my baby girl. Yeah, congratulations all our participants for tonight, and next time better to all our participants that didn't go well. If you want to be part of the participants tomorrow, it is simple. All you have to do is to use the donation link down in the description. and you will surely be on the list. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link down in the description. There's a link down in the description for it. Guys, I have a Signal group, and if you want to join my Signal group, it is simple. Create an account with my link. Send me proof via Telegram. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram, and I will surely add you to the Signal group. So that's it. There you go. All you gotta do is to write to me via Telegram, and I'll surely add you to the group. I also have a Telegram channel. You can join and be part of a community of traders. All you have to do is to use the link down in the description for the Telegram channel. Baby girl. Guys, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Be sure to join the trading assembly, and we learn from each other. We share our experience. I mean, I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing from fellow traders. And I'm so glad that most of you are learning and you're being consistent. I mean, that's a point of fully locking in. That's a point of fully locking in. So keep locked in.
Bang, bang, pop up like a long gun. If you ain't making
You making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys.
live fast, die young,
That's my choice.
get money like an envoy. Make the money, make the grip. I'll be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip.
Right. I love to get on.
I love to get to one.
Feel free to ask any trading question.
Way too strong. Getting faded, turn that breath, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Getting ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll.
I love to get on.
Let's roll. I love to get to one. Let's roll. I love to get to one. Let's roll.
It's always nice to have you guys. Tell me where are you watching me from? Someone comment where.
And all my bitches attractive. We go.
Alright, let us meet tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. UK time. I love you so much. Good night.